Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to guide you through how to deposit money into Westpac. Now, there are several methods you can use. The first method is depositing at a Westpac ATM. For cash, what you do is go to Westpac ATM that accepts cash deposits. Insert your Westpac card and enter your PIN or use cardless deposit if available and eligible. Then select the deposit option, that is the deposit option. Once you found it, choose the account you want to deposit into. Then you insert your card into the designated slot when prompted. The ATM will count the cash and display the amount. Confirm the amount. Then you complete the transaction and take your receipt. Now for checks, what you do is go to Westpac ATM that accepts check deposits. Insert your Westpac card and enter your PIN. Select the deposit option. Choose the account you want to deposit into. Now you're going to insert your check into the designated slot when prompted. Confirm the details on the screen, complete the transaction and take your receipt. Second method is depositing at a Westpac branch. For cash and checks, what you do is visit your Westpac branch. Ensure you have your Westpac account details such as your account number and BSB or your Westpac card. If you're depositing cash, have the cash ready. In depositing checks, endorse the back of the checks if required and have them ready. Then you approach a teller or use a deposit change machine if available. Inform the teller you wish to make a deposit and provide your account details or card. Hand over the cash and the checks to the teller or follow the instruction on the deposit machine. The teller will process the deposit and give you a receipt, or the machine will issue a receipt. The third method is by depositing at bank at post, which is participating Australia Post outlets. For cash and checks, find the participating bank at post location. Ensure you have your Westpac debit or credit card with a valid PIN. If you're depositing cash, have the cash ready. Note that limits apply and bulk coin deposits may not be accepted. If depositing checks, have them ready. Limits apply to the number and value of checks. Then you inform the Australia Post staff member that you want to make a Westpac deposit via bank at post. Provide your Westpac card and enter your PIN. Hand over the cash and all checks. The staff member will process the deposit and provide you with a receipt. The fourth method is mobile check deposit, that is, using the Westpac app. For checks only, ensure you have the latest version of the Westpac mobile banking app on your smartphone and eligible for this service. Then you open the Westpac app and log in. Navigate to the deposit feature, often labeled check deposit or similar. Enter the check amount and select the account you want to deposit into. Use your smartphone's camera to take clear pictures of the front and back of the check when prompted. Follow the on-screen instructions to submit the deposit. Keep the physical check in a safe place for a specified period, usually 14 days, before destroying it securely. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful.